baladan gorfeeyo inaan gaadhu faashado gadaafooyin dhacayo waayaha gardaajo waqtiga gunaanaday anna waxaan gudiyayo midkaan soo gudbinayo gooni isu taagani waa go'aan dadweyno gees laga mara jirin.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Distinguished Israeli business leaders, investors, entrepreneurs, and innovators, excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor to address this distinguished gathering of Israeli business community. I extend my sincere appreciation to the organizers of this forum for creating an opportunity to strengthen economic ties between Somaliland and Israel and to explore new avenues for investment, trade, and partnership. Today, I came before you with a simple message. Somaliland is open for business, and Somaliland is ready for Israeli investment. As the Director General of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs said, the gates of Somaliland only is not open, but the hearts of Somaliland is open for you. This forum is not merely a discussion about opportunities. It is an invitation. It is an invitation for Israeli companies, investors, technology leaders, manufacturers, and entrepreneurs to become partners in one of Africa's most promising markets. For more than 3 decades, Somaliland has maintained peace, stability, democratic governance, and security in a region often associated with uncertainty. Somaliland has distinguished itself as a reliable and secure destination for business and long-term investment. We have built functioning institutions, protected private enterprises, and maintained an environment where economic activity can thrive. We also regard Israel as a valued friend and a partner. Israel's extraordinary achievement in innovation, technology, agriculture, water management, healthcare, cybersecurity, renewable energy, and entrepreneurship has transformed a nation with limited natural resource into one of the world's leading innovation economies. Somaliland greatly admires this achievement and seeks to build practical partnership with Israel business that can bring mutual benefit for both sides. Ladies and gentlemen, Somaliland offers opportunities that are significant, diverse, and largely untapped. Our strategic location along one of the world's busiest maritime corridors places Somaliland at the gateway between Africa, the Middle East, and international markets. The port of Berbera is rapidly emerging as a major trade and logistics hub, serving not only Somaliland but also neighboring countries and the wider Horn in Africa. Our economy offers investment opportunities in logistics, in ports, in free zones, in fisheries, in livestock processing, in agriculture, in mining, in renewable energy, in manufacturing, in healthcare, in housing and real estate, in digital technology, in education, in water infrastructure and tourism, and many may I have forgot. We possess vast natural resources, a growing consumer market, abundant opportunities for industrial development, and a young population eager to acquire skills and participate in modern economic growth. What Somaliland seeks are partners who bring investment, expertise, technology, and vision. This is where Israeli business can make a transformational contribution. I encourage Israeli companies to view Somaliland not simply as a market, but as a strategic platform for expansion into the Horn of Africa and beyond. The region is growing demand for technology, infrastructure, energy, food production, healthcare services, water solutions, and digital innovations, presenting substantial opportunities for forward-looking investors. Our government is committed to supporting investors and facilitating business partnerships. We welcome companies that seek long-term engagement, job creation, technology, transfer, industrial development, and sustainable economic growth. To the Israeli business leaders gathered here today, I say, visit Somaliland, explore our opportunities, meet our people, see our potential firsthand, engage with our institutions, and become partners to our economic transformation. The relationship between Somaliland and Israel should not be limited to diplomatic goodwill. It should be reflected in factories, in farms, in technology, in energy projects, in logistics facilities, in investment funds and business ventures that create prosperity for both of our people. Ladies and gentlemen, future belongs to those who recognize opportunity before others do. Somaliland offers that opportunity. We invite Israeli business to join us as partners in building a prosperous future based on innovation, investment, mutual respect, and shared access. I look forward to welcoming to you to Somaliland, and thank you.
Welcome to Minnesota.
haddii aad sideedoo kaleeto socodkaagu u badan yahay safarkaagu waxaad u isticmaali kartaa abka Dahabshiil familkaaguna waxay lacagta ku helayaan daqiiqada gudahood lacagta ugu horeysa oo ku dirtana waa free